$8,208.40. That's how much money I made on YouTube in 2021. Now, I can know that that's accurate, or at least fairly accurate, because even though December isn't finished yet, I actually don't get December's revenue until January. So the money that I get from YouTube this month is based on the views that my channel made last month. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I'm not talking about this channel. I'm talking about my primary channel, which is really my biggest channel. It's a family vlog. It has to do with my daughter's health complications, but honestly, it's just an average channel. I'm not doing anything on that channel that you can't do either. I'm just an average guy. So part of my purpose in this video is I want to encourage you. If you want to make money on YouTube, just be consistent in posting videos. Watch some of my other videos about that. But I want to talk today about how I made that $8,200 on YouTube in 2021. Now, most of that money came from ad revenue. And you might hear from a lot of other YouTubers that ad revenue only makes up a small portion of their revenue from YouTube. But for me, it's actually the largest portion. In fact, almost all of my revenue comes from ad revenue. And I think part of that is just because I'm not a great marketer. I'm not good at selling stuff. I'm not one of those infomercial kind of guys. Just an average guy. And I think my audience for that channel isn't really into buying stuff. So most of my revenue just comes from the ads that show before, after, and during the videos. I do make a little bit more from like t-shirts and books that I sell, but that's really, really small. Let me show you the numbers. So here are my stats for that channel for the last 365 days. In that time, I got 2.4 million views. I gained almost 6,000 subscribers, and I had an estimated revenue of $8,208.40. Now, I wasn't monetized at the beginning of the year, so actually that all came from 10 months of the year rather than 12. So let me show you the month by month. See, I got monetized at the very beginning of March, and in March, I made $305.98. Pretty good for the first month, and then it came down a little bit, $215.82, $241.82, $263.97, $278.05. So my first month monetized was actually my best month for the first 5 months. And then the 6th month was a little bit better, but not a lot. In August, I made $404. And then things got really crazy. In September, I made $1,226. In October, $1,087. And then November made $3,333. Man, that was crazy. Now, December will be less than that, but that'll actually be 2022's income. But I just want to point out also that if you're committed to the process, it's going to grow. Sometimes it doesn't grow every month. Sometimes it actually goes down a little bit, but just keep on working at it. You can do it. I want to show you something else too. If I switch it back to 365 days, click on ad revenue, and then scroll down, you can see that not all of it was ad revenue, but most of it was. Out of that $8,200, $8,125 was ad revenue. The rest of it was YouTube Premium revenue of $43, and transaction revenue, which is like super chats and memberships, those kinds of things, that was only $39. So at least for my channel, most of it was ad revenue. I'm just not a very good marketer, I guess. Now, outside of YouTube income, I did sell a few t-shirts, I sold a few books. I think I made one Amazon affiliate sale, and I got like a 4-cent commission from that. But at least on this channel, which is my main channel, almost all of it was ad revenue. And that's not a bad thing. A lot of YouTubers are saying that Amazon affiliate marketing is the way to go, but there's different business plans and there's different ways to accomplish the same thing. If you're good at getting views, then ad revenue might be the best thing. If you're good at marketing, then maybe Amazon affiliates is the best thing, or selling merch on your own website. I just encourage you to keep at it and keep experimenting, and you can make it. So like I say in all of my videos, if you want to get to that point, you just gotta start posting videos. Now, of course, it's more complicated than that, but if you don't get that much down, all the complicated stuff is just gonna go over your head. You need to get in the habit of posting videos consistently, and you need to get in the habit of posting better and better videos. Like, don't just be content making a certain level of quality, a certain level of content. Push yourself and get better at it. I can almost guarantee you that your favorite movie is not the first movie that that producer produced. It's not the first movie that that director directed. They had to work at their craft. They had to get better and better over time. They had to make a lot of really bad content so that their later stuff was really good. So if you want to make it on YouTube, be committed to the process. Be committed to making a whole bunch of really bad content at first. Man, I did it. Actually, I'm kind of still doing it. I look at my current videos and think, these can be so much better. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be getting better. I've said this before, but every movie you watch, every video you watch, the people who make those movies and videos, they look at their own videos and think they wish they were just a little bit better. Mr. Beast says that he's still learning how to do all this stuff. He's still experimenting. He's still getting better. And if he's got that attitude, then man, we really need to have that attitude. We need to push ourselves to get better and better and better. And that's not going to happen overnight. That's going to happen by you consistently showing up and working at your craft and being committed to the process. Listen, I'm not saying anything that's profound. I'm not saying anything unique. I'm just encouraging you that you can do it if you work hard. You can do it if you're committed to YouTube. I know, because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.